So I did a mistake while recording this video, and I thought I will add a small clip before the video so that you guys didn't get confused. Otherwise there will be no point making this video if you don't get the exact analysis which I did before taking this trade. So the first mistake was that the 5-minute trend line which I'm going to show you in this video was not drawn from the above level like this. It was not the trend line which I used when I was analyzing the 5-minute chart. The actual 5-minute trend line was like this. This was the breakout candlestick and this was the confirmation candlestick for me. So this was the actual 5-minute trend line which I used before and when I was analyzing the chart. So in the coming video you will see that I'm drawing trend line from this level, which is actually wrong. The mistake is actually happened because we have exited the trade, and so I forgot to see where is my entry, and that's why I draw the trend line which I saw. There are so many things was going in my mind, and that's why I forgot to I draw the wrong one. And so this is the correct trend line. And the second thing which I want to tell you was that when I was analyzing the hourly chart, the main thing which motivated me was this pattern. I forgot to mention in the video that this is a perfect example of hammer candlestick. As I am working over the hammer candlestick video for you guys, whenever I see hammer candlestick, I try to take trades over it if possible, if I get an opportunity, and in this case I got a perfect opportunity, and that's why I took this trade. This hammer candlestick was formed after a proper downtrend, and it was formed at a key support level, and that's why this is very important. When you're watching this video, this level is important, and this candlestick pattern on the hourly chart time is also important. So these are the two things which I forgot to mention in this video. One was my mistake, and one thing I forgot to mention about this great candlestick pattern, because this pattern is very helpful, and it works really great when the conditions are correct. So let's continue the video again, and I hope that you guys will not get confused in the coming video. So let's continue the video. Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you one of my forex trade. So as you guys were requesting me to trade over forex also, suggest them some strategy. So here we go. I'm trading over the forex chart, and the chart is running in front of you with my trading setup. The trading setup is very easy, and as you guys know that forex trade takes longer than usual, so I can't continue talking like that. So we will fast forward this video for the end results. Either we are going to hit the target or going to hit our stop loss. For me, the target is easy and is achievable because it is at a resistance level, and according to the price action, market will go in the upward direction. And I will explain you about the analysis, what I think, what is my thought process about this trading setup. So let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you the trade completely. So as you can see, we have won this trade easily. So let me explain you the trading setup. My risk to reward ratio was 1 to 2. So keep that in mind, that you have to place a good risk to reward ratio. Don't really squeeze your stop losses. You have to loosen them up. Just don't draw them like very near to your open position. So first, the reason why I took this trade was very simple. I found out that there is a pattern formation. There is a chart pattern formation. This is a chart pattern formation. Let me make it bold so that you can see it clearly. So this Okay, so this is what we call an ascending triangle, and this is a breakout here. So it also says that market will go more in the upward direction as this is an ascending triangle. So the reason why I took this trade was very simple. This level was very strong. Let me explain you why. So we have to go in the 1 hour time frame. So when I was analyzing this chart, I found out that we have got a strong level of support here as we are trading on the Forex. So we have to analyze the bigger time frame also. So you can see this is the zone of support, and you can see that market as soon as touch this level, it gives us the rejection. There was also rejection. Market tried breaking it again, but you can see the wick. This shows the strength of the buyers, the motivation in them. It was very, very strong, and you can see the movement. It formed a great confirmation. It's a reversal pattern also, and this is a strong confirmation that yes, the buyers are interested because the length of the wick is really, really strong. And after that, I switched to 5 minute time frame, because as we are analyzing the 1 minute chart, we have to analyze the a little bit bigger time frame, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can go with the 15 minute also. So what I saw here, that there is a breakout also here. So this was the breakout. You can see, let me remove both of them. So this was also a trend line, and this was also a formation of trend line, and I found out that there is a breakout from this pattern also. And the next thing which I saw, that when there is a breakout, market is heading towards the upper level, which is the next resistance. And when I draw a resistance level here, I found out that this is a pattern. Actually, this is a ascending triangle. So for me, market will go according to the price action. It is going to hit this level, and if there is a breakout, market will continue to go in the upward direction. In most cases, what market do is that market travel in between these chart patterns, and at the end time they break through because of the pressure that is being created by the buyers and the sellers. As you can see, in this case, market did break through, but it gives us a fake breakout. Why? Because I cannot see any pressure right now. If market goes inside this box again, inside this triangle again, and break from this level in the upward direction, market will going to head in the upward direction for sure, because this is a pattern, and traders all over the world use patterns, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, price action, everything goes hand in hand. So we have included both of these things, the chart pattern and the breakout also. The breakout was clear. As you can see, this was the breakout, and the pattern was very, very clear. The price action, if we go by price action, you can see that market goes strongly in the upward direction. It retraces back. I'm not talking about the major trend here. I'm just talking about the minor trend, because we are trading over 1 minute. So the minor trend is what really important to us. Market gives rejection, it reverses back very strongly from the support level. This is the major support. We have checked it in the hourly time frame. The reversal was strong. Buyers are interested. Market retraces back. Traders booked their profit. Market goes down again. Buying started, and they were forming this. They are going in this trend. You can see this trend line was supportive, and you can see the 4 confirmation. This was the first touch, the second, third, and fourth. So it's a valid trend line. In this case, this is also a valid trend line. We got a good confirmation from the base, the support trend line, and as the price action, if we go by the price action, if market has to reverse, it has to complete the price action, and for me, it has to at least touch this resistance level, and that's why I place my target here, because this was for me the next level that market is going to touch in the coming time, and that's why I took this level as a target. This was my stop loss, because if market break through this trend line and like break this level, according to the price action, if it formed a lower low in this case scenario only, I'm not talking about this, then market will go in the downward direction and will going to touch the base, which is the strong level of support again, to reverse back again. You can see the ascending triangle is working here. I know that the pressure was not that strong here, and that's why the breakout is not that strong, but still it is working good. So these patterns are also important. I'm working over the hammer candlestick pattern right now, and in the future I will try to explain you the complete story behind each and every candlestick, what I think from myself, and I will also include the chart patterns like ascending triangles, descending triangles, and like wedges, flag pattern, everything about these patterns, because these patterns are really important, and will also make videos over price action so that you can understand like everything you will I know about technical analysis. I will explain you in my coming videos, so stay tuned, and I hope that I have explained you the complete setup in detail. Let me recap it again. I analyzed the hourly chart to understand the major support and the resistance level. Then I found out that there is a reversal. I switched to the 1 minute time frame. I found out that yes, market is going strongly in the upward direction. The minor trend is now the uptrend. I draw a trend line, which was also a valid trend line, because I got 2-3 touches at that time. So I was sure that this level is going to work, and for me, I draw the next resistance level, which was here, and found out that this is a pattern. This is a chart pattern, ascending triangle. So for me, the price action will make the market move in the upward direction and will going to hit this level, and that's why I place my target here, stop loss here, and took this trade. I also analyzed the 5 minute chart and find out that there is also a trend line breakout. So all in all, everything was going in our favor. This trend line was also a good level of resistance, and it's been broken by a strong candle. But this was not the major concern for me. Why? Because I found out that there is a pattern formation. This pattern was actually very important for me, and the whole trading setup was because of this trend line and this pattern and the major support level. The 5 minute trend line was not that important, but still it's a confirmation for me that yes, market is going to go in the upward direction. So that's all about this trade, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will answer you as soon as possible. If you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.